At the end of this video, you'll understand the real reasons you didn't get hired in 2025, and you'll know exactly what to change so that 2026 becomes a completely different story for you. Because the truth is, many South Africans didn't miss out on opportunities because they were not good enough. They missed out because the job market changed fast, and nobody took the time to show them how to adjust to that change. If you are watching this and you are not subscribed yet, take a second and hit that subscribe button. We are building a community of South Africans who want better jobs, better pay, and better opportunities. And by subscribing, you are becoming part of that movement. So hit that subscribe button now and let's grow together. Let me talk to you honestly for a moment. This year, a lot of people tried their best. They worked on their CVs, they applied for roles, they stayed hopeful, and they kept checking their emails thinking that maybe, just maybe, something would finally come through. But when the days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months, the silence started to feel heavy. And what happens to many people is this: the silence begins to feel personal. It starts making you think that something is wrong with you. But the truth is far from that. You are not failing. You are not incompetent. You are not unemployable. What's really happening is that the job market has become tougher and faster than ever, and most people were never taught how to navigate this new reality. So let's break down exactly what held people back in 2025, not in a way that blames you, but in a way that gives you clarity and control as you move into the new year. And before we go deeper, let me just say this quickly. A lot of South Africans miss opportunities simply because their CV or interview answers don't show their true ability. That's exactly why I created the Job Hunters Toolkit. It gives you professional CV templates, matching cover letters, a simple step-by-step CV guide, interview answers for common South African questions, and even a list of hidden job boards most people don't know about. These tools have already helped people get interviews in weeks instead of months. The link is in the description and in the pop-up on your screen. Reason number one, your CV didn't show your value. One of the biggest things that held people back in 2025 is that their CVs didn't clearly show what they can actually do. Many CVs list duties but not results. Some are using old formats that no longer work, and a lot of CVs don't reflect any growth over time, which makes recruiters assume that nothing has changed in your skill set. You might have a solid experience, but if your CV doesn't communicate that in a clear, confident way, you get overlooked long before anyone even sees your potential. Reason number two, your skills didn't move with the market. One thing that affected a lot of South Africans is the pace of change. The job market has shifted quickly. New digital tools, new systems, new ways of working, and many people were still holding on to the same skills they had 2 or 3 years ago. Companies want people who are learning and adapting. And the truth is, even one short online course can show a recruiter that you are growing. You don't need to master everything. You just need to show improvement. Reason number three, you focused on applying, not positioning. Let me explain. This is something many job seekers don't realize. Applying is only one part of the game. Positioning yourself is the other half, and it's just as important. Positioning means aligning your skills to the job that you are targeting. Having a clean LinkedIn profile that aligns to the specific job. Positioning means reaching out to people in your industry and making your name easy to find. When you only rely on clicking the apply button, you end up competing with hundreds of other people for the same role. But when your positioning is strong, recruiters find you. Reason number four, your interview preparation wasn't strong enough. Some people actually got interviews, but they struggled inside the room. Not because they don't know the job, but because they couldn't express their experience in a simple and confident way. Interviews today are less about what's on your CV and more about how you communicate your thinking, your problem solving, and your ability to work with people. Many South Africans give long answers, unclear answers, or answers that don't show their real strengths. That's not a lack of skill, that's a lack of preparation. Reason number 5, you don't have a proper job search strategy. And this one is something a lot of people never think about. Many job seekers have no clear plan. They apply for anything they see, use the same CV for every role, don't track their applications, and don't follow up. Without structure, job hunting becomes a guesswork, and guesswork leads to frustration. A real strategy, even a simple one, makes a huge difference in your results. Now, here's the part I want you to take into the new year. Every single reason that held you back in 2025 can be fixed. None of this is permanent. Your CV can be updated. Your skills can be improved. Your interview confidence can grow, and your job search strategy can be rebuilt in a way that finally gets you noticed. You are not failing. You are learning how to move in a market that keeps changing. And once you understand the rules, everything becomes easier. If this video is helping you, hit that like button now so that more South Africans can find it. And drop a comment if there's a topic you want me to cover, because your questions help me guide even more people. So as we step into 2026, don't carry the frustrations of 2025 with you. You now understand what held you back, and you know exactly what to change. Update your CV, build your skills, prepare for interviews, and approach your job search with intention. Once you start showing your value clearly, you'll be surprised at how fast doors begin to open. Your next opportunity is closer than you think. My name is Alec, and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.